Welcome to my channel. Arlo camera not connecting to Wi-Fi. Ensure your Wi-Fi is set to 2.4 GHz, as most Arlo cameras only support 2.4 GHz during setup, not 5 GHz. Position your camera close enough to the Wi-Fi router to get a strong signal, which is crucial for the connection. Double check that you're entering the correct Wi-Fi password. Even a small mistake like a wrong letter can prevent connection. Some routers combine 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz into one network, which can confuse devices like Arlo cameras. Temporarily turn this feature off during setup. Ensure your Wi-Fi network SSID is not hidden, as hidden networks might cause issues during the camera's connection process. Power cycle both your Arlo camera and Wi-Fi router by turning them off and on. This can resolve minor connectivity problems. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Arlo app to avoid compatibility issues. Check if your router has any available firmware updates and install them if needed. New firmware can fix network connectivity bugs. Look at your router's security settings. Disable or adjust any firewalls that may be blocking your camera from connecting. Perform a factory reset on your Arlo camera to return it to default settings, then try setting it up again from scratch. Thank you for watching.